Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. Now, when we're trading, trying to catch a market top, they're very difficult to catch because the markets can tend to trend for extended periods of time and stay overbought. But in this video, I'll show you how we spotted, identified, and traded a market top last week on QQQ and the SPY. But let's take a look at the QQQ. This was one that we set up for a market top for rollover, and we set this one up last week on the 9th. Okay, so what we did was these tools that I use are extended range bands or extreme range band indicators. And when on the long-term time frame, which I use the weekly, they get up to this 3 extension rate here. So when they get up here to this extended range band indicator here, that's based on like an ATR of 3, that's when I start being very cautious to the market. And then also the other thing I look at is when it gets super overbought, 90 percentile or greater, and this is what we have, a reversal indicator here and the moving average of that. And when that crosses, that's an indication or a signal that we're getting buying exhaustion, and it's time to be definitely out of your longs and look for a potential pullback where then we can short. So with this indicator based on the weekly long-term time frame plus the confirmation based on momentum using my lower time frame indicators like a 4-hour and lower, we have a momentum signal trigger here, cycle 1 and 2 negative. That's confirmation of this being a good valid signal, and then we can set up a short trade either using butterflies or what we call a put calendar diagonal. I'll show you that trade in just a second, but let's take a review of the last time that we had this set up. It's been quite a while, so these are very, very rare type signals. So let's take a look. Now, prior to this signal we just got last week, we have to go all the way back here to February of 2021. So you can see the exact same signal. So we had up to that extreme range band here, that white line, and then we had a reversal signal right here. And this ended up being about 11% pullback, retracement from that prior high to this swing low here. And then going back even further, the only other time we've had it over the last couple of years was back here in August of 2020. And then we had this same signal, extreme extension here over the extreme range band here in the white, and then we had the reversal right here, our reversal indicator on the weekly long-term cross in our moving average, and we had a 13% pullback. So we'll see today. We've had another down day and about a smaller pullback, but the potential is still there for maybe a move back down to 355, something like that. So the way that we traded this, we'll either do usually a butterfly, or in this trade setup I'll show you here was a put calendar diagonal. So we set this up last week on the 9th and then rolled it on Friday. So we came in today with the QQQ long, the 20 September 379 put, and then we had shorted against it the 13 September. That's for today's expiration, 375. Now today when we had the big flush down, we got down to 374, almost hit 374. This was up over $300 per spread. So a great way to play the trade, and then we rolled it again today. We might see if we can get a little bit more follow through tomorrow. So if you'd like to learn how to play these types of trades, the directional trades plus the option strategies to use, make sure to join us at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.